So, my dear student, today we are going to start very important parts of the derivatives, that is derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. So, to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric function, it is very helpful to the formulae of these all inverse trigonometric functions. So, at first we have to discuss about the formula of the inverse trigonometric function derivatives. So, derivatives sin inverse x 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Again, derivative of cos inverse x. So it is very easier to remember it. Only difference minus root over 1 minus x square. Again, tan inverse x. It will be 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, to recall cot inverse x, only minus differ, that is minus 1 by plus x square. Similarly, sec inverse x derivative, it will be 1 by x mod x square minus 1. Again, derivative of cosec inverse x, similar to sec inverse, that is only differ minus symbol, the minus x root over x square minus 1. So now we will utilize this formula on this inverse trigonometry function to find out the derivative of the inverse trigonometry function. So I will go to the exercise 5.3, question number 9. The y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So you recall the formula from inverse trigonometry. This value will be 2 tan inverse x. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to 2 derivative of tan inverse x. What will answer? 2, we know the formula, tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. The answer will be 2 by 1 by x square. So question number 10. What is here? Y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. We recall it, this formula is 3 tan inverse x. Then we can find the derivative easily. 3 derivative of tan inverse x, it will be 3 by 1 by x square. 11. So what is here? Y is equal to cos inverse, similar. 11 number, y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. You recall it, this formula is also 2 tan inverse x. What will be then? Again, same answer will come, 2 by 1 plus x square. So similarly, 12 number question. What is? Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Recall it, that formula is not a proper manner. If you given here cos inverse, then you can write easily, that is 2 tan inverse x. But in this case, there is no cos inverse x. What is here? That is sin inverse x. So I'll use the formula of inverse trigonometry. Sin inverse x cos inverse x is equal to what is? Pi by 2. So what will be sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So in this case, I can write here pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. In this place, easily I can write here pi by 2 2 tan inverse x. Then find the derivative. What will be? Derivative dy by dx is equal to, it will be pi by 2 derivative, what will be? This value 0 and this value 2 by 1 plus x square. That is, the answer will be minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So similar, question number 13, also same manner. y is equal to cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So it is also opposite manner, that is sin inverse format but given cos inverse. So in this place you have to put here pi by 2 minus sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, then pi by 2 minus 2 inverse x, then same answer will come minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Now question number 14 here, y is equal to sin inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square. In this place we can easily put here the formula to sin inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to what will be 2 derivative of sin inverse x, it will be 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Similarly 15 number, what is y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1, 2x square minus 1. So we will convert in the cos inverse form, it will reciprocal, that is equal to 2x square minus 1, that value is 2 cos inverse x. Then dy by dx is equal to what will minus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Now we'll discuss about that exercise 5.4. So exercise 5.4 based upon the exercise 5.2, 5.3 basis. That is application of 5.2 and 5.3. First question, y is equal to e to the power x by sin x. So that is u by v format. So easily you can find it. So what will be? So dy by dx is equal to sin x constant, derivative of e to the power x minus e to the power x constant, derivative of sin x, then sin square x, it will be e to the power x derivative e to the power x sin x constant, then e to the power x sin x derivative, it will be cos x by sin square x. Solve it, e to the power x take common, so sin x minus cos x by sin square x. Then question number 2 here. Question number 2, very easy question. Y is equal to e to the power sin inverse x. Then can you find now? Dy by dx is equal to what will be? E to the power x format. So e to the power sin inverse x and derivative of sin inverse x. Very easy. So e to the power sin inverse x and this value will be 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Then question number 3 you can do it easily also. Just like question number 2, y is equal to e to the power x cube. Then x cube consider that t, that is y is equal to e to the power x cube and derivative of into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. The result will be dy dx is equal to e to the power x cube into 3x square. Similar question number 4, y is equal to sin tan inverse e to the power x, what will be? So dy by dx. So this tan inverse e to the power x, consider t in this case. So it will be cos tan inverse e to the power x into derivative of tan inverse e to the power x. So what will now? It will be cos tan inverse x, tan inverse e to the power x, again tan inverse e to the power x formula 1 by 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Why? Because tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, again derivative of e to the power x. Finally you will get the answer, that is cos tan inverse e to the power x into 1 by e to the power 2x into e to the power x derivative e to the power x. This is the final answer. Okay. So now question number 5, log cos e to the power x. What will be? You can find easily. 5 number, log cos e to the power x. So what will be? dy dx, log x derivative you know, 1 by x, that is cos x. In place of x, it will be 1 by cos e to the power x. Again derivative of cos e to the power x, that will be 1 by cos e to the power x into cos x, that equal minus sin e to the power x into derivative of e to the power x. Derivative of e to the power x. What will final result? The final result will be minus sin x by cos e to the power x. So that equal to minus 10 e to the power x and e to the power x derivative also e to the power x. So it will be minus e to the power x 10 e to the power x. Okay. Now question number 6, y is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power x square, e to the power x cube plus e to the power x4 up to e to the power x5. Find the total derivatives. What will be? dy by dx, in this case derivative of e to the power x plus derivative of e to the power x square, again derivative of x square, similarly derivative of e to the power x cube into derivative of x cube plus derivative of e to the power x to the power 4 into derivative of x to the power 4 plus derivative of e to the power x to the power 5 into derivative of x to the power 5. The result will be e to the power x, e to the power x square into 2x plus e to the power x cube into 3x square plus e to the power x to the power 4 into 4x cube plus e to the power x to the power 5 into 5 x to the power 4. It is the answer. So now question number 7. It will be y is equal to root e to the power root x. It is very easy question. The root x format. So dy by dx is equal to what will be? 1 by, the derivative will be 1 by 2 root x format. It will be root x into again derivative of root x, it is a root x. So 1 by 2 e to the power root x into e to the power root x, again derivative of root x. The final result will be e to the power root x by 2 e to the power root x into 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Now similarly log x, so you can easily find it 1 by log x format, 1 by log x into log x derivative 1 by x. So answer will be 1 by x log x. Similarly question number 9 you can do it easily, that is cos x by log x. So u by v format, you can do it easily. Now question number 10. So what is question number 10 now? Question number 10 will be, that is y is equal to cos log x plus e to the power x. Very easy question. That is cos x dy by dx, cos x derivative minus sin x, minus sin log x e to the power x into derivative of log x e to the power x. You can find this derivative very easily. That is sin log x e to the power x, again log x 1 by x plus e to the power x. Now I'm going to discuss about that differentiation using logarithm differentiation. So whenever we will find that but whenever you will use the logarithm to find the differentiation. So before that I will discuss about that three formulae of the logarithm. We know it very well. That is first log m into n, and that is product. There will be log m plus log n. Second, log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Third, log m to the power n exponential form. In this case, in case of exponential form, what will be n into log m. The power comes first. You see, the three formula will be very useful to find out the derivative using logarithm. So now, whenever I will consider this method, that method you have to consider when in case of the function variable power variable. For example, I will write here y is equal to sin x whole to the power x. So in this case, sin x is the variable term, that is function of x. Again, function sin x power also another x function, that is variable power variable form. So in this case, how can we find the derivatives? So that procedure I will consider this example and find out now derivatives. So right here you have to write here using logarithm both side. To use it, what is log y is equal to log sin x whole to the power x. So in this case, now is the third formula of logarithm, exponential form. What will be log y is equal to the x come first, log sin x. Now this is implicit function, so you can find this derivative easily. So how can now differentiate this equation? So differentiate equation that consider one with respect to x. What will be log y derivative? What will be 1 by y into, as y function it will be di dx multiply, you have to multiply. Then that is product rule UV format. First function is the second function. Suppose x is constant, then derivative of log sin x plus again log sin x constant, then derivative of x. So what is the answer now? X log sin x derivative 1 by sin x. Again we have to multiply sin x derivative, it will be cos x. Then x derivative 1, only simply it will be log sin x. Then we can write here dy by necessary time is dy dx. So y take this side. So what will be x cot x plus log sin x. Then finally you have to put the value of y, that is y is equal to what is y is equal to sin x whole to the power x on the beginning. So x cot x plus log sin s. This is the answer of this question. So now first bit of exercise 5.5, the exercise 5.5 first bit. What is y is equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. If there will be two terms, then easily you can find that product rule, find the derivative using product rule. But in this case there is 3 terms, so it will be easier to find the derivatives using logarithm. So use taking logarithm both sides, taking logarithm both sides. So what will be log y is equal to log cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. So now we can use the logarithm first principle, that is log m into log n. Then it will be individual separated by plus sign. Log y is equal to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. What will be log y derivative? 1 by y dy by dx. Then log cos x, what will be? 1 by cos x. Again cos x derivative minus sin x. Similarly, log cos 2x, 1 by cos 2x. Derivative cos 2x, it will be minus sin 2x. Again derivative of sin 2x, that will be 2 plus 1 by cos 3x. Similarly minus sin 3x. Again derivative of 3x, that will be 3. So finally you will get dy by dx is equal to y into, that will be minus 10x, minus 10x again, minus 10x, then minus 2 into 10 to x, minus 3 into 10 3x. Originally we have to put here value of y, this one, in this case the y is equal to cos x cos 2x into cos 3x minus 10x minus 10 2x minus 10 3x. It will be the answer. Now question number 2, let y is equal to this one, root over x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So in this case we have to use the logarithm property both 1 and 2, that is multiplication form and division form also. So what can I write here? Also you have to use the power function, power form also, third form also. That is, in this case we have to write here x minus 1 x minus 2 by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 whole to the power half for the root of our function. So now using logarithm, so taking logarithm both side, log both side, what will be? Log y is equal to half will come first, then these two terms are in product form, that is log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2, but rest of three terms are division form, so it will be minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. So answer it will be, now differentiate this question, this equation we have to differentiate with respect to x. So what will be? 1 by y dy by dx half constant log x minus 1, then what will be? 1 by x minus 1, derivative x minus 1 obviously 1, so not necessary to write here. Then 1 by x minus 2 minus, similarly x minus 2 derivative also 1, similarly 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5, then dy by dx is equal to y into this one, 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. So finally you have to put the value of this in place and you will get the answer for this question. So now question number 3, y is equal to log x whole to the power cos x. So this question, similar example I have taken to explain the explanation part, that is sin x whole to the power x. So similar manner you have to do it. Now question number 4, so y is equal to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. So how can do this? This type of problem, this type of question is very important for the examination. So this type of question will set as a 4-mark question. So how can do it? There are two terms. So in this case, we have to write here y is equal to u minus v. So u is equal to x to the power x and v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. So you have to find dy by dx, then du by dx minus dv by dx. Individually you have to find that value of dy by dx from this and value of dv by dx from v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. Finally you have to put here, then you will get the answer. That first you have to take u is equal to x to the power x. So it is also variable power variable. So taking logarithm both side. So what will be 1 by u? So it will be log u is equal to x log x. It will not. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. It will be 1 by u du by dx is equal to UV format x constant, derivative of log x plus log x constant, derivative of x. Then what will you get now? X into 1 by x plus log x derivative 1, x derivative 1, it will be x cancel. So du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. Further you can solve it also. In place of 1 you can put the log e. We know log e value is 1. Otherwise you can give it in this type. The u is equal to what is? U is equal to x to the power x. So it will be, you will solve log e plus log x, then it will be x to the power x log xc using property number 1 of logarithm. So it will the first part answer. Now next part, v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. So you can find the derivative easily. So v by dx is equal to, it is your x format, to 2 to the power sin x into derivative of 2 to the sin x log 2 into derivative of sin x. What will be 2 to the power sin x into cos x log 2. So dv by dx value. Finally the result will be, in this place dy by dx equal to dv by dx minus dy by dx. So result will be dy by dx is equal to, what will be, x to the power x log xc minus 2 to the power sin x into cos x log 2. That's the answer. Now you consider exercise 5.5 question number 5. So this is y is equal to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole to the power 4. In this questions, there is a in logarithm formula, formula number 1 and formula number 3 will use at a time. So what will taking logarithm both sides, you have to write taking logarithm both side. Then what will you get now? Log y is equal to, so using property number 3, it will come first 2 log x plus 3, then property number 1, that is the multiplication form, it will be addition will be occur between the terms, then it will be 3 log x plus 4 log x plus 5. So this will be differentiate, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what will be 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, it will be 2 log x plus 3, it will be 1 by x plus 3, that is equal to x plus 3, 2 by x plus 3, and the derivative of x plus 3 1, not necessary to write it, and similarly 3 by x plus 4 into, again derivative of x plus 4 value 1, again 4 by x plus 5 into 1. So that is dy by dx is equal to y into this one 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. So originally you have to put the y value, that is x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole to the 4 into this one, that is 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. So similar manner. So now question number 7. So taking logarithm both sides, what will you get? Log y is equal to x log x plus again log x will come first. So no, it will be wrong. Why? Because there is two terms. So at first you have to take here y is equal to u plus v. Then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus d by dx. So at first you have to take u is equal to what is log x whole to the power x. Then taking logarithm, log u is equal to x log x. Real or not? Then 1 by u du by dx is equal to x derivative 1, and log x constant, again whenever x constant 1 by log x into again log x derivative 1 by x. Totally du by dx is equal to u into log x cancel, it will be 1 by log x. We have to put the original value of u, that is log x whole to the power x, and log x by 1 by log x. Similarly, you have to find the value of dv by dx from this. V is equal to what is x to the power log x. So similar, taking logarithm, log v is equal to log x, that is log x whole square, log x whole square, we can write here. Then 1 by v, differentiate 1 by v, dv by dx is equal to log x whole square, what will be 2 log x into 1 by log x derivative 1 by x. So dv by dx is equal to v into this one, that is 2 log x by x. Then originally put the value of v, and finally dy by dx is equal to du by dx value plus dv by dx value, then we will get the answer. Again I will consider that is question number 9, similar question number 7, that is also two function separated by the plus symbol. Then what will be? It will be ui is equal to u plus v, we have to consider. So finally dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus d by dx when we consider the y with respect to x derivatives. Then at first we have to consider x, u is equal to what is x to the power sin x. Similar manner, taking logarithm both sides, log u is equal to sin x log x. Then 1 by differential both sides, 1 by u, du by dx is equal to, that is product rule we have to put here. So sin x constant, log x derivative what will be 1 by x. Similarly log x constant, sin x derivative cos x, then du by dx is equal to u into that is equal to sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Originally value put the value of u, that is x to the power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Similar, you have to find the value of dv by dx. Put taking here v is equal to what is v is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x, then taking logarithm you will get log v is equal to cos x log sin x using property number 3 of the logarithm. Then what will be taking derivative with respect to x, what will be 1 by v dv by dx is equal to uv form, that is product rule. Cos x derivative, suppose cos x constant, then derivative log sin x 1 by sin x, again sin x derivative what will be cos x plus again log cos sin x constant, again cos x derivative minus sin x. So dv by dx is equal to what is v into this one, that is cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. Then put the value of original value of v, that is sin x whole to the power cos x, and put this value. Finally dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. We put this value of du by dx, and here from the dv by dx put here, then we will get the answer. Now I will consider question number 12. What is it? X to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. So I consider u plus v is equal to 1, that is u is equal to x to the power y and v is equal to what is y to the power x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x of equation 1, you will get du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. From this relation we have to find the value of dy dx. How can I find? Now derive it. So u is equal to x to the power y. So taking logarithm both sides, we will get log u is equal to y log x, that is equal to 1 by u du by dx is equal to any uv form, that is product rule, y suppose constant, log x derivative 1 by x, then log x constant, it will be y derivative dy by dx. Okay, now du by dx is equal to what will be u into y by x plus log x dy by dx. Then u is equal to what will be, u is equal to what is say x to the power y, so x to the power y, y by x plus log x dy by dx. Similar manner you have to find the value of v with respect dv by dx from d is equal to y to the power x. So v is equal to y to the power x, you can write here log v is equal to x log y. So what will be 1 by differential both sides with respect to x, 1 by v dv by dx is equal to uv format, x derivative 1 log y constant plus x constant, then log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx. Are you getting? Then dv by dx is equal to v into what will be log y plus x by y dy by dx. Originally put the value of v, that is y to the power x, y to the power x, what will be log y plus x by y dy by dx. So we'll get the value by adding, that is dv by dx, that is dv by dx, this value, then we have to find that dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Sorry, y given here du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0 in this case. So du by dx value for the x to the power y by x plus log x dy by dx plus dy by dx y to the power x log y plus x by y dy by dx is equal to 0. So we have to multiply and take dy dx one side, then you will get the answer easily. So it will be x to the power y minus y into y. After multiplying it, x to the power y log x dy dx, similar manner. Then dy dx take one side, it will be x to the power y log x plus x y to the x minus 1. After multiplying it, then it will get this value, then dy dx is equal to this one. So now similar manner we can do it easily by question number 14. That is, what is question number 14 here? Cos x whole to the power y is equal to cos y whole to the power x. So in this case, taking logarithm both sides. After taking logarithm both sides, then what will be? After multiplying here logarithm, it will be y log cos x is equal to x log cos y. So you can find easily differentiate both sides with the implicit function. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. It will be dy by dx, then log cos x constant. Similarly, log cos x constant. Sorry, y constant. Log cos x 1 by cos x into minus sin x. Again, x suppose constant, log cos y 1 by cos y into minus sin y into dy by dx plus what will be a log cos y whenever constant, it will be 1 derivative. Then from this relation, dy dx take one side and easily you get the answer. Similarly, question number 15 also very easy. That is xy is equal to e to the power x minus y. You will take a logarithm both sides, that is equal to log xy is equal to log e to the power x minus y. So it will be log xy is equal to log x plus log y is equal to x minus y into log e. We know log e value what is 1, so that is log x plus log y is equal to x minus y. So as log e value 1, so you can find the answer easily. That is log x 1 by x, log y 1 by y dy dx, x derivative 1, then minus y that is equal to dy dx take one side, then easily you will get the answer. So now question number 16, f of x is equal to this one given, 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x to the power 8. So we have to find f dash 1. So what is f dash? That is derivative of f function. F dash x, what will be? It will be derivative. But before that we have to take the logarithm using both sides pi, because that is multiplication form. So it will be log f of x is equal to what will be sum of these terms, that is log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x to the power 4 plus log 1 plus x to the power 8. It will be then differentiate both sides with respect to x. It will be log x, that is 1 by f of x. And the f of x derivative what will be? You have to write f dash x. Then 1 by 1 plus x, it will be 1 by 1 plus x square. Again x square, 1 plus x square derivative what will be? 2x. Similar 1 by x, 1 plus x to the power 4. Again 1 plus x to the power 4 derivative 4x cube. Similarly 1 by it will be 1 plus x to the power 8. Then the derivative will be 8 into x to the power 7. So now f of f dash x is equal to what will be? F of x into what value? 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1. That is then 8 x to the power 7 by 1 plus x to the power 8. So now put the value of f of x. F of x value what is? 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 8, then other term 1 by 1 plus x, 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 8 x to the power 7 by 1 plus x to the power 8. Then we have to find f dash 1. So you have to put here the value of 1 in place of x. Then easily you get the answer 120 in these questions. Thanks.